A34, B84 and CAB are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. We want to find the possible values of A and B, giving our answers as surds, if necessary. Since we have an equilateral triangle, we know that all three sides must be of the same length, and this is going to help us with this problem. If we draw a sketch of the information, this can help us do the problem. Your sketch does not need to be accurate, just needs to be sufficient to help you see how to do the problem. So we'll put A here and B here, and they have the same y-coordinate, so this line is horizontal. C could either be in this position or in this position. C must lie on the perpendicular bisector of AB, since C is an equal distance from A and B. Remember that A is the point 3, 4 and B is the point 8, 4. We can now find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. We know the distance AB is 5, and since it's a bisector, this distance would be 2.5 and this distance would be 2.5. So 3 plus 2.5 is 5.5, and this is the line x is equal to 5.5. Since C lies on this line and A is the x-coordinate of the point C, we've now found the value of A as 5.5. We now use the fact that AC must be equal to 5, since we're dealing with an equilateral triangle, and we know AB is 5. So AC is 5, and we know the distance between 2 points formula, so we do the difference between the x-coordinates, in this case 3 and A, so 3 minus A squared, plus the difference between the y-coordinates, 4 and B, so plus 4 minus B squared. If we square both sides, we get that 25 is equal to 3 minus A squared plus 4 minus B squared. So 25 is going to be equal to 9 minus 6A plus A squared plus 16 minus 8B plus B squared. Tidying this, 25 is A squared minus 6A plus B squared minus 8B plus 25. 25 will cancel from both sides, leaving us with A squared minus 6A plus B squared minus 8B is equal to 0. We also know the value of A is 5.5, so we can substitute this in. 5.5 squared, take away 6 times 5.5 plus B squared minus 8B is equal to 0. Calculating this, we get 30.25, take away 33 plus B squared minus 8B is equal to 0. And tidying this up, we get B squared minus 8B, take away 2.75 is equal to 0. So we have a quadratic equation to solve. Using the quadratic formula here, b is going to be equal to 8 plus or minus the square root of 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 2.75, all divided by 2 times 1. So this is 8 plus or minus the square root of 75 over 2. Just looking to tidy this expression, the square root of 75 is equal to the square root of 25 times 3, which is root 25 root 3, which is 5 root 3. By this stage you should be confident of using surds, but if you're not, you can always go back, view the videos and practice some more. So writing this down tidied, we get 8 plus or minus 5 root 3 over 2. Clearly looking at the diagram, this c is going to be the plus root of this equation, and this one would be the minus root.